In this video, I'm exploring this channel right here that not only gets a lot of views on each video, but gets a lot of views every month as well. And based on the average views each day, let's use 23,000, averaging with this tool using a CPM of roughly $12 for every 1,000 views. That 23,000 views for each day potentially gives them over $8,000 for the month and over $100,000 for the year. And the reason I'm interested in this is because the videos seem incredibly simple. In case you didn't figure it out from the thumbnails, it's this channel called TopThink. And I assume that you saw some of their videos because they have almost 3 million subscribers. Based on the uploads over the last month, each of their videos that are uploaded makes almost 10,000 views. There's some that are a little bit below, and then just a few weeks ago, there are videos that are over 10,000, some close to 20,000. Either way, I need to make it clear that over the past month, it's just 4 videos that they uploaded. Over 6,000 views, roughly 10,000 views, and just over 5,000 views. But yet that still amounts to over 600,000 views for the month. 4 videos. And of course, that's because all of these other videos over the past 30 days or over the past year were to get views each day. And just to get a little bit of an idea as to which videos are getting views right now, even if it's older videos, I use this tool from vidIQ, which you can install for free via the first link in the description. When installed, you just hit this, view trending videos. And what this is showing us are all of the videos that are getting views right now. It is a long list, which means their videos are getting views. If I was to take it from the top, the video that is getting the most views right now, the most views each hour, this VPH here stands for views per hour. So a video from a year ago is getting 72 views every hour. One from 2 years ago getting 68 views per hour. So basically, it seems that the videos that went viral some time ago are still getting a lot of views each hour. That's probably because they're proven. They're over a million, and in these two cases, over 2 million views. Even one from 4 years ago with almost 2 million views getting 20 views per hour. How to get a girlfriend in 7 steps. I guess that still is a highly searched topic. So the plan here really is to check out TopThink's videos, just a few of them, to see what is really entailed in making this amount of views for the month, which of course amounts to this amount of money for the month. But wait, right before we check out that video, aren't you a little bit curious as to how they're making their money if it's just with the views, this ad revenue? So if I just browse on the channel here and check out this second to last video on effective time management, when someone comes in here, looks at this video, and they go to the description, there are links. But it's not just any links, it's links that are really specific to the video they're looking at. This one is about time management tips. Actually, all of them are about time management. Different things. One is about strategies, and next one is time management skills. And these are linking to courses. One of them is Coursera. The next one is Simply Learn. And so when someone clicks one of these links, let's say me in this case, I am interested in time management because it's just not one of my strengths. So when I look at this video and then click on this link, it seems as though it's just an article. But as you scroll down, there is a course here. And if somebody decides to learn more and sign up for this course, according to the affiliate program here, where anybody could join for free, you can earn up to 45% commission. And of course, you can easily track the traffic that you're sending to Coursera with easy to integrate impact tracking links, which is exactly what TopThink is doing right here, and they're doing in a lot of their videos. And so based on that, this estimated monthly earnings and yearly earnings seem to be just a fraction of what they make. And so now, let's see what these videos are actually about.
Lives a little easier. However, they didn't start that way. Getting everything out of your brain and onto paper, it frees you up to focus on action.
And so we have this animation throughout the entire video. But do you think the animation is really necessary? Sure, it's the brand of TopThink to create videos with this type of animation. But if you think about it, somebody that are looking for tips about effective time management, and they're getting the value from those tips from a really good script with actual points, those 10 tips to help somebody with time management. I really don't think that having way simpler visuals would be a deal breaker here. This seems to be a lot more about the value that is being provided in the information, which is why I think this can be easily replicated by using royalty-free footage and photos on a site like Pixabay, where you can drop content like this, time management on the screen, zooming into an image like this, possibly making just a slideshow for parts of the video. You can also search for videos, and I'm sure that I would find something very useful here. So the content would be selected based on where we are in the actual script. Or I could simply create AI content, whether it's for photos or videos, just like this one here, but I would have done this in the last video on my channel, so you can check that out after this video, of course. So really, I think it's a simple strategy, a simple process that TopThink follows here in order to make that amount of money for the month. Whereby they find these hot topics. They're still a bit broad in terms of their titles, but I think they could do that because of the large following that they have and the amount of views that they already get on their videos. Very similar thumbnails, similar style video editing in every one of the videos. And I think it's possible to come up with these tips from just using something free like ChatGPT. So I'm thinking to try this one, possibly using a mix of stock footage as well as AI generated content and signing up for programs just like here on Simply Learn and Coursera. Plugging the link in the description just like they did for simple videos like they did. And so if you want to get started with this as well, check this link out next.